Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the bank rate for Bask Bank. But before we get into that, let's take a step back and talk about why bank rates are important. Bank rates are the interest rate that a bank pays on your savings accounts or charges on your loans. They can have a big impact on your finances, so it's important to understand how they work. So, what is the bank rate for Bask Bank? As of current date, the bank rate for Bask Bank is current bank rate. This means that if you have a savings account with Bask Bank, you'll earn current bank rate interest on your money. Of course, the bank rate is always changing, so it's important to check the Bask Bank website for the most up-to-date information. Now that we know the bank rate for Bask Bank, let's talk about how it compares to other banks. Bask Bank's bank rate is currently one of the highest in the country. This means that you could earn more money on your savings by banking with Bask Bank than with other banks. However, it's important to remember that the bank rate is just one factor to consider when choosing a bank. You should also consider other factors, such as fees, customer service, and convenience. So, is Bask Bank the right bank for you? That's a question that only you can answer. But if you're looking for a bank with a high interest rate, Bask Bank is definitely worth considering. In addition to its high interest rates, Bask Bank also offers a number of other features that make it a great choice for savers. For example, Bask Bank has no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. This makes it a great option for people who are just starting out with their savings. Bask Bank also offers a variety of other products and services, such as checking accounts, mortgages, and credit cards. So, if you're looking for a bank that can meet all of your financial needs, Bask Bank is a good choice. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, remember to do your research and choose the right bank for your needs.